Hi, this is Paul Reiber from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at a fresh trade-in we just took in. This is a beautiful crystal blue pearl 2013 Chrysler Town Country Touring with a Kneelvan, Freedom Motors, wheelchair accessible mobility conversion. This is a manual rear entry. I like to consider it a semi-automatic rear entry because it does have a factory power rear hatch. So you simply have to lower the rear wheelchair ramp manually, which is very simple and easy and effortless. This vehicle has 75,000 miles. It has a touchscreen MyGig radio. It has a backup camera. Dual power sliding doors. Rear DVD entertainment system. 2 key fobs. Power rear hatch. So this is basically like a semi-automatic rear entry. You have the hatch opens up with the push of a button. Then you just have to grab the handle and lower the wheelchair ramp down. Very simple and easy. Easy peasy. Now this particular vehicle already has an easy lock system bolted into the floor, which secures your wheelchair, keeps it in place so it's not moving around in transit. So that's pretty awesome. Extra bonus of this vehicle, it's already got the easy lock system. It's got bucket seats in the second row as well, so you can bring the whole family around along with your adventures in life. And this is a beautiful van. A lot of our vans here are 17s and 18s, so they're like brand new with low mileage. This one's got low mileage as well, but it's nearly half the price of the other ones we have in stock. Very low price. Give us a call if you're interested in this van. 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Fresh trade-in. It's got that cool ambient lighting. I'm colorblind. I'm not sure if that's pink, purple, or blue, but it's beautiful. DVD system, bucket seats. Cool van. Beautiful color. Won't last long. These sell fast that are around this price point. Dual power sliding doors. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Fresh trade-in. We've been in business for over 30 years, and we have a huge warehouse full of hundreds of wheelchair accessible cars, crossovers, trucks, vans. We've got everything from GMC Yukon Denali's down to Kia Souls and everything in between, with Kia Sorrentos, Chrysler Pacificas, Dodge Grand Caravans, Toyota Siennas, Chrysler Town Country. You get a lot of nice trade-ins. This is a beautiful, sparkling, pretty blue Chrysler Town Country. I believe it's a Touring. It's got leather. It does not have heated seats. It's got the leather interior. You can always have heated seats added on if need be. It's got the rear view camera, the HomeNet system. If you're interested in this van, give us a call. 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Fresh trade-in. Just taken in. She's sturdy. It hasn't been detailed. The vehicle you see here has not been touched, so it's in great shape. This is how we took it in on trade. Still got to go through it and revamp the floor and refurbish it and everything. So it's going to be like brand new once we get done with it, inside and out. Really nice van. We don't have very many like this in stock. Typically we get trade-ins and they're 12, 15 years old with 250,000 miles on them. So this is a nice, clean, fresh trade-in in excellent condition, inside and out. Won't be here for long though. Give us a call. 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Really nice, clean trade. Power driver seat, power driver lumbar. 75,000 miles. Good mileage. Not bad. Average. A lot of vans that are 13s have over 100,000 miles on them already, so. Check out our website if you're interested in any other types of wheelchair accessible vehicles. We have side entries. We have Silverados and Suburbans. The whole side of the vehicle deploys. Really cool stuff. Check out our website, freedommotors.com. Please click the subscribe button on the YouTube page. It's very important as we're trying to grow our subscribers. Lots of bells and whistles on this van. Very nice, clean van. Inside and out. Absolutely gorgeous. Give us a call if you're in the market for this particular one or any wheelchair accessible vehicle. We'd love to earn your business. 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Family owned. Over 3 decades in business, delivering and selling coast to coast. We have sales reps in the field willing to give you a free in-house delivery, free in-house demonstration, not delivery. Delivery is extra, depending on where you live, as we do cover the whole country. Very nice van, very clean, inside and out. There's the easy lock system mechanism that locks the wheelchair into place to keep it from moving around in transit. Give us a call if you are interested in this van or any wheelchair accessible van. 1-800-625-6335. 1-800-62-NEIL. FreedomMotors.com. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.